Now, one of the first things that should be looked at whenever you're dealing with a user or a problem is to make sure that they have been calibrating the lenses. This is just as important as it is zeroing the weight scale. Now, in the case of this box here, zeroing the weight scale is literally pressing the zero button here. To do a calibration of the lenses, as you press the program key, you press number 5, which says calibrate dimensional banks, and then you calibrate the banks, you press number 1. If you come to the front of the machine, you'll notice flashing lights. There's 3 different banks, so what happens is every time a bank is being calibrated, you'll see the flashing light. So right now, one of the banks is being done. When it's finished calibrating, the next bank starts to go. And then it'll do the same thing. And what it's doing, it's important that the scale is empty and that you've just given a wipe to the lens. It's in case you ever get nicks or scratches or anything else into the lens, it is right now taking a set value to which it's going to measure boxes that are placed against it. So it's just saying, okay, this is what an empty platform looks like. It's almost like taking a photograph and then comparing it when a box is settled. So now it is done. We just can come back down here, and what we just have to do now is just simply hit the program key to remove it. Now, I'm going to show you one other thing with the program key, just explaining some of the things that are on here right now, is you can set the dim factors. Now, I could have circulated through 194 or whatever. This also does the metric versions. There's also a scanner trigger. That's important for a lot of customers who don't want to do 2 stages. In other words, if on the one manual I acquire, then I print. If I do automatic, which is number 2, it means as soon as I get a measurement, whether I'm using the scanner or just pressing the acquire, it's going to take that measurement and immediately output it. So it just saves time. And then we have the 3 for going back. The device number, beep duration, really doesn't have much impact on the machine. The device number is a number that you set in, and it goes on to the records for the machine. And a lot of our customers will set up, there's 3 digits that are allowed. Some of our customers allocate locations like Atlanta, Los Angeles, Baltimore. They will give a specific location, and then they number the machines from that. So when the records are coming into a central location, they know exactly where the measurements came from. And then 5 was calibrate the lens. Now, a quick exit would be just the program key, and we're back and we're ready to go.